Hello guys, good evening. This is just a short video ulit and mag-share lang ako sa inyo ng another airdrop with high rewards where we can get a free $12 by just opting in dito sa Telegram bot ng Holochain. And yes guys, ito yung Holochain. So what is Holochain? So Holochain guys is a new decentralized platform that aims to help developers easily deploy decentralized applications. So basically guys, gumagamit sila ng peer-to-peer networking for processing agent-centric agreement and consensus mechanism between users. So guys, hindi po ito blockchain, okay? And yun nga guys, they are giving away free hot tokens to early adopters. And you can earn up to $40 in the Holochain airdrop or dito sa bounty program nila guys. So dito guys, kailangan nyo munang mag-opt-in sa Telegram bot ng Holochain para makaparticipate sa airdrop nila or sa Holochain bounty program. So once na nag-opt-in na kayo sa bot, you will be eligible for the Holochain bounty and you will receive a total of 10,000 hot coin. And that is worth of $12. Alright guys, so hot po yung tawag ng coin nila dito sa Holochain. And nasa coin market cap na rin sila and yung current price ng hot coin is $0.001292. And dito guys, meron din silang referral program where you can get extra 5,000 hot coin for every friend who joins to your referral link. So yung requirements dito guys, kailangan nyo lang i-register yung country nyo and you need to provide your Ethereum wallet address to receive your hot tokens earnings. So ang gagawin nyo lang dito guys, sundan nyo lang yung mga steps dito and kailangan nyo rin mag-join sa Holo channel. So you just need to click this and kailangan nyo rin mag-join dito. And after that, just go back there. And kailangan nyo lang mag-solve ng CAPTCHA. So yun lang yung gagawin nyo dito guys and just keep updated lang dito sa Holochain channel nila or sa Telegram bot and pwede nyo rin i-check dito guys sa news update or kaya naman dito sa may special event. So dito para ma-check nyo yung balance nyo and yung referral link nyo, i-press nyo lang tong referral and balance. So as you can see guys, pumasok na po dito sa balance ko yung free na 10,000 hot token or yan po ay $12. So that's it for now guys. Kung interested kayo rito, yung link nito nandyan sa my description and i-check nyo na lang. So happy earnings guys and see you on my next one.